I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. Today I'm going to be looking at the continuous profits we've been having in the chat room. Posted many alerts last week, Thursday and Friday, to add on the market dip. So let's go ahead and look at the charts right here. So before we get into that, the market just closed. It's 4 p.m. right now. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. We got about 1,726 subscribers. Let's push this up to 2,000 and stay notified with all my alerts in my chat room. I'll put the link in the description. So we had numerous winning trades from the past week, thousands of dollars in profit potential. So we had Bank of America, AMD, and all of these from the long-term investing alerts. We've been getting more than $10 to $15 per share profit on each one on the big 3x ETFs like these, the UDOW, TQQQ, SOXL, QLD, SPXL. All these are called out in the long-term alerts for the entry, and the swing trade alerts include the entry, exit, and the stop loss, and just a small description of what I'm taking and why I'm taking it based on my analysis. So I see in the main chat that a lot of people are profiting. I saw this person, Ajon834, made $160 today. You're welcome for that call, and it's nice to see that you're profiting from the calls. And also saw someone take AMD earlier and see some nice winning trades on this. So let's go ahead and look at the charts. This is Thinkorswim. It's the application I use for all my charts and analysis. It's completely free. There's no minimum deposit to open, and you get all the real-time data over here. Alright, so let's look at SPY. This is what I usually look at. Looking at the 180-day, let's zoom in over here. I saw that markets were pretty oversold. Below the RSI was below 30, and the MACD was in the red. So I like to buy the dips. Just like how Warren Buffett pretty much invests, he buys on the dips and holds for the run because he has time. You know, I'm pretty young, I'm only 22, so I have time to buy and wait and profit from that. Also do some swing trades here and there just to capture the market waves on the up and down. So let's go ahead and get into more technical analysis on this. So last week on Thursday and Friday, I saw markets dipping over here. I did get that sell alert over here at 274, and markets dipped below to around 264, 265 area, and I saw that as a perfect entry. As I said in my last video, where I posted this one right here, this was yesterday, 3 long-term stocks that I'm buying. I posted that and I talked about how they try to fake you out in the market. So big guys on Wall Street, they call the MMs, basically the market makers. They make all these big moves. So they're buying like millions of shares, billions of dollars worth of shares, stocks, ETFs, options, you name it. So if you look at the max chart on this one, you can see there's that fake out up and down right here. They try to get people to take them out on stop losses, and they might think that markets are dropping, so people sell. They want to load up on those cheap shares, and they take advantage of that drop. So that's why I'll call out all of these drops and when to get in and when to add. I call that out in the chat room over here, long-term investing alerts. I say due to panic selling from news, I take advantage of this big drop and load up for long-term, and also say how today was a great chance to buy in at the morning. And we had this huge run up today. I call that out over here before 10 o'clock. And you can see right here, up and down, they try to shake you out, and then they start going up. So when they go up like this and they come back down, people usually sell. They think, oh, market's going to drop down, but they're actually going up. I got that breakout alert, and I confirmed it in the chat room that markets would be going up. So before I even got that alert, I posted that people should be adding. So right here, last Friday I posted that, and today also that posted at 10 a.m. That's a great time to buy in the big 4 ETFs that I always buy. and also I posted in the swing trading alerts and in the main chat right over here that I'm still bullish, and for this week market should be going up, and we got that nice recovery today. So let's look at some of the trades that I called out. My swings that I'm in right now are UDOW. So this had a nice big push up today, nice recovery. My average is about 98. I ran out, so I couldn't really add any more. That's because of due to the big loss that I took with SVXY. You know, that whole thing happened. So I'm just sticking a couple of trades right now. So my average is almost it's almost back up to my average, around 98. So I'm still holding on that. But in the chat room, I called out that people should definitely be adding at that 85, 86 area that I hit last week. And another swing trade that we had that was a win was Bank of America and AMD. Let's look at that. Bank of America over here. So I called the buy and add over here at 30.70. The first alert was here at 31.70. So if you average down today, it hit high of about 32.35. So that was a nice win. And also AMD, I alerted it to add at around 11.60 area. The first one was at 11.75 area. So if you got in on that, then it's hitting highs of 12.08 today. And the last one was a day trade today. That was UGAZ. So let's look at the daily chart on that. I call the entry over here before, and let's look at the day trade alerts. So this is how the day trade alerts will be. I say looked great here for a quick reversal day trade and looking for that 57. So I posted that like half hour before that trade even happened. So that's a nice time to look at the trade, look at the chart, and get in. Usually it might be a couple minutes before, or maybe a couple seconds, or I might not even have time to post it. But this one I had pretty good time to post it before, because I've been watching the daily chart. I know the pattern now. It goes up and down. So whenever it dips like that, it's going to recover. So I called that out at here. I said low 57. So around 57.30 got in and got out. My alert was at 58 exit, but it did hit 58.25 and it went all the way up to 58.50 over here. So that was a nice dollar per share profit. And if you have days like that, it's just incredible, because the rest of the week you're good. If say you take like 100, 200 shares, then that's $100 or $200 profit just within an hour. And then you take maybe one or two swing trades here and there, and that's about $400 to $500 profit per week. And you keep that, that's $2,000 a month. So it's nice pocket change. Say you want to pay bills, or you're just looking to grow your portfolio. It's nice to get those swing trades and day trades in. So the main thing that I'm doing right now are swing trades and long term. Long term, looking at like Berkshire Hathaway, looking at Walmart, Visa. These are all great for long term. So I show how you can add and profit from that market drop when people are panic selling and taking losses. That's where you should be taking advantage and buying the fear, and then selling the greed. So when markets go up like this and they're going to oversold region right here, that's where you should be selling. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making more videos like this on how I find these winning trades and when I get in and get out, and how I know to read the charts, and how I take my entry positions and exit correctly, and also how I limit my losses if I have any. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to stay notified on my future videos, and also leave a like and a comment below. It only takes 1 second, and that'd be appreciated. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great week of trading.